All right, we're working on the 1970 Buick Wildcat and trying to perfect the stopping power of the car. So I got my drums that have been turned. And brand new brake shoes. Napa Proformers. And I went ahead and put that on, the drum on this side. So, and then just looking at the old shoes, they don't look the same. It looks like heat cracks there on this one, but they're not, that same crack isn't over here. Anyway, so the shoes were actually still pretty thick, so I did think that that would work, you know, leaving them on with the new drums, but it didn't work. And there's some kind of difference going on there. And in the beginning, this is the side that was pulling, and that was pulling bad to the right. But after I put the drums turned, got them turned and put them back on, then this side started pulling. So the rule being that you're supposed to put new shoes on when you have the drums turned, or put new ones on, is the one we're going to follow. It could be I just needed to go back and readjust, but this is the correct way of doing it, and so that's how it's going to be done. So now I have to go ahead and put the drums back on, and then I'll have to adjust it right here with the wheel on. Now sometimes I see on TV they adjust them with it off, but as far as I know, that's not the correct method. Make this tight with the wheel on and back it off to the first notch, but then you got to make sure you got play in it, and then that's where having the tire on makes a big difference, because you actually grab the outside edges of the tire and you should just feel a little bit of wiggle. That's when you know you got it right. That you know, if it's locked up tight to where there's no movement, you got to have a little bit of play in it. Not very much, just a little, for it to be correct. Otherwise your wheel bearing won't be set correctly. So here we go. Striving to get stopping power perfect with John Rudy. I'll talk to you later. Bye.